Welcome to the best picks. The best water-soluble pens is probably one of the most revolutionary tools for embroidery and crafting enthusiasts. These handy pens allow for precise marking on fabric, easily vanishing after rinsing, ensuring clean, smudge-free results every time, making your embroidery projects easier and more enjoyable than ever before, without the hassle of permanent markings or the need for complicated transfer methods. Number 5. LEONIS Water Pen. This is the LEONIS Water Erasable Fabric Marking Pen. It's designed for precise marking on fabric and is easily removed with water. It uses a high-quality Japanese ink that dissolves completely, leaving no stains or marks behind. Say goodbye to permanent fabric markings. The fine tip, also from Japan, allows for smooth and accurate lines. You'll have total control over your markings. This pen provides exceptional value. Our tests show it can write up to 500 meters before needing a refill. It's perfect for any fabric project. Get precise, removable markings every time. Choose LEONIS for superior quality and control in your fabric marking needs. Order yours today. What we like? It boasts superior Japanese ink and a fine tip for smooth, accurate lines. With a verified 500 usage guarantee, it's perfect for large projects. If you need a pen that delivers precision and longevity, this is the one for you. What people say. I do a bit of quilting and they are great for marking the fabrics in the color range they show on. I've tried every quilt marking product out there and these are by far the best water erasable pens available. The color is strong, so marking was rapid and accurate. These pens are wonderful to use. Fine tip, the color doesn't fade and it washes out easily. Number 4. WRIGHTS Marking Pen. This pen is perfect for all your sewing and crafting needs. It's ideal for marking fabric before you sew or create. Simply use water, a damp cloth, or a sponge to remove it. It's that easy. Remember not to iron over the marks, or wash the item before removing them with water. This will set the marks. It's not recommended for fabrics that are dry clean only. Always test it on a hidden area first. It's perfect for marking fabric for any sewing and craft project. Get yours today. Please note that the packaging may vary slightly from what is shown. The product inside remains the same. What we like? This pen is easily removed with water, making it ideal for various sewing and craft projects. It's simple to use and suitable for most fabrics. If you prioritize ease of use and versatility, this pen is your best bet. What people say. It washes out with water just fine. Drying time is instant. They draw perfectly on fabric and wash away with no residue. Number 3. Dritz Mark-B-Gone Pen. This handy pen makes transferring patterns and designs onto fabric a breeze. Its fine point allows for intricate details, and the marks disappear with water. Say goodbye to permanent markings. It's perfect for sewing, quilting, crafts, and embroidery. The marks vanish easily with water, leaving no trace behind. This pen features an extra fine point, ideal for precise markings on even the most delicate fabrics. It ensures accuracy and control for all your projects. For best results, use it on washable fabrics. It works seamlessly with a variety of materials, making it a versatile tool for any crafter. You'll receive one fine point Mark-B-Gone pen in blue. Everything you need to start creating beautiful, precise projects is right here. Transfer your patterns with ease and precision. It simplifies the process and helps you achieve professional results. What we like? Its extra fine point allows for incredibly detailed marking on your fabrics. It's water-soluble and perfect for delicate work. If you're looking for precision in your marking, this pen is unmatched. What people say. What an improvement. Straight lines, consistent angles. It's the best for fine lines. This pen is exactly what I was looking for. She is very pleased with the way the pen works, lasts, and washes out each time. Number 2. Fabric Markers Kit. This kit has everything you need for your next sewing project. It includes 6 vibrant disappearing ink markers, a handy gauge, and a soft tape measure. These markers come in 6 different colors, so you'll always have the perfect shade for your fabric. They're water-soluble, so any marks can be easily removed. The included gauge features a sliding marker that stays put for repeated measurements. The soft tape measure ensures accurate and comfortable measuring. It's designed for easy use and quick cleanup. The ink disappears automatically or can be easily removed with water. Whether you're sewing clothes, crafting, or working on a cross-stitch project, this kit is perfect for marking fabric and other materials. It's ideal for a wide variety of DIY projects. It's perfect for marking clothes, shoes, bags, and more. The kit is compact and easy to store, making it perfect for taking on the go. What we like. This kit offers multiple colors and includes handy measuring tools for all your sewing needs. It's perfect for various projects and provides everything in one convenient package. If you need a complete solution for marking and measuring, this is the kit for you. What people say. Great for marking your fabric with a straight line. Easy to use and last longer than products bought from a local fabric shop. The fabric marker pen is fantastic. Its water-removable feature adds a level of versatility. The overall quality and usability make it a must-have for anyone working on fabric sewing projects. Just what I needed. Even better, a whole group of different marking pens as well as a measuring tape and hemming ruler. Number 1. Mr. Pen Fabric Markers. These erasable fabric markers are a must-have for any sewing project. They're perfect for marking fabric before cutting and sewing, ensuring precision and accuracy. They glide smoothly across fabrics, creating clean, fine lines. It makes marking your fabric easy and efficient. The water-soluble ink allows for temporary markings. This means you can easily remove them with water once you're done. Simply use water to remove the marks. No need to worry about permanent stains on your fabric. Remember to avoid ironing before erasing the marks. Heat can set the ink, making it difficult to remove. These pens are an invaluable tool for sewing enthusiasts and professionals. They provide a reliable way to mark fabric without causing damage. This set includes 5 pens, giving you plenty for all your projects. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This 5-pack provides plenty of pens for all your projects. The pens glide smoothly, creating clean lines for precise sewing. If you need a reliable and convenient option for multiple projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They work amazingly. They do disappear in water. I can even lick my finger and the line is gone, but that line doesn't go anywhere otherwise. It's super easy to use. They even show up on black fabrics. They write on the fabric smoothly and are very visible. They washed out completely, leaving no residue. I was hesitant at first, but these make gritting for cross-stitch so easy. I did a test piece and was so pleased the marker washed out with just water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.